Let's get your SightLine FX system on your vehicle. To complete this system, you will need 2 SightLine FX crossbars and a set of sight clips. For the installation, you will need the included torque wrench and tape measure, as well as a flathead screwdriver or coin if you're in a pinch. SightLine FX comes in multiple crossbar lengths, and the sight clips are vehicle or application specific, so please make sure you have all the right parts for your vehicle by using the Fit My Car tool on Yakima.com. Pro tip, you'll want to record your vehicle-specific specifications here so it's easy to reference. Start with the front bar first. Some vehicles may have a different size front and rear bars, so make sure you grab the correct length. First, remove both covers by pinching here, pulling it straight out. Then, with a flathead screwdriver or coin, unlock the locking lever and remove it. With the torque wrench, completely loosen the clamp bolt. You will need to do this on both towers. Now, flip the bar upside down and loosen the pitch bolt 3 full turns so the towers can slide on the crossbar. With the tape measure, set your M1 measurement using the hash marks as shown, being sure to center the bar by measuring equal distance from the hash marks to the center arrow. Before you tighten the pitch bolt, you'll want to set the P1 adjustment on both towers. Grab the tower and rotate to match your vehicle's specifications you recorded earlier, and tighten the pitch bolt until the torque wrench clicks. Make sure your M1 measurement is still correct. Now is a great time to apply the front crossbar sticker to the bottom of the crossbar. Repeat all the previous workbench steps with the rear bar, but use the provided M3 and P2 measurements. Next, let's get the clips and feet installed on the towers. Grab the front inner clips and feet for the front bar and install the feet as shown, with the arrow pointing to the outside of the tower. Then, disengage the retaining wire by pinching here and rotating it out. Make sure you are installing the correct inner clip with the stamped letter facing toward the middle of the crossbar, and insert it, making sure the hooks engage the holes in the clip, and replace the retaining wire. To install the outer clips, disengage the retaining wire by pinching here and rotating it out. Make sure you are installing the correct outer clip with the stamped letter facing away from the crossbar, and insert it, making sure the hook engages the hole in the clip. And replace the retaining wire. You will need to do this on both towers. Repeat the previous steps with the rear bar, but use the specified rear inner and outer clips. Now it's time to get the front crossbar on your car. Carefully place your front crossbar with the inner and outer clips of each tower straddling your rails. Set the M2 measurement by measuring from the top corner of the windshield to the front edge of the tower. Then, while holding the clips tight against the rail, fully tighten the clamp bolt until the torque wrench goes click. If your vehicle has inner pinholes, make sure the clip lines up with those pinholes before tightening the clamp bolt. With the front bar installed, grab the rear bar and place it on the rail. And set your M4 measurements by measuring from the same point on each bar. And while holding the clips against the rail, fully tighten the clamp bolt with the torque wrench until it goes click. You will need to do this on both towers. With everything tightened up, check the install. Grab the crossbar and push and pull in all directions. The crossbars should not move. Now it's time to reinstall the inner covers. Using the screwdriver or coin, turn the plug to the locked position. With both bars installed and locked, reinstall all 4 covers, making sure they are fully seated. If you have SKS lock cores you would like to install, you can do that now by popping out the plug and inserting the core in with the control key. Now, just lock it up. Now you're ready to hit the road. That's it. Now get out and take it easy.